If you've ever looked at my background and wondered why I have piles of colored hair, you're going to find out today. This was a suggestion that a friend on Reddit made for doing complicated braids that I can put different colors in so you can see where the strands are moving. So let's see how it works. I'm going to do a 5-strand braid. You have 2 strands on either side, 1 in the center.
Mommy?
Yes.
Look, I peed on the...
No, you didn't.
No.
Yeah, your spray bottle. Okay.
I just peed on my shirt.
That is not true.
I did.
Okay, so we're going to start on the right side. Take the far strand over the one next to it and under the center. It becomes the new center. This one moves over. Same thing on this side. Over the center next to it, under the center. It becomes the new center. Over the one next to it, under the center. Over the one next to it, under the center. Over, under, over, under. I still need to practice being able to keep on going with this all the way down my length. Because usually with a braid I turn to the side and do it over my shoulder, but I'm scared of losing my place if I do that. Let's see. So that one is about to come over. Over, under. Shh, you can do it. Over and under. Oh, uh-oh. Looks like my colored sections got a little mixed up there. Yeah, I didn't successfully take it over my shoulder, but you can see that it makes a very pretty wide, flat braid.
It is.